Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Here is a narrative summary of the latest Atlas Brew community event, written in a conversational style perfect for a podcast or video recap. The Atlas Brew Recap. Building the Future in Real-Time GM. Star Atlas Pilots. If you missed this Wednesday's episode of the Atlas Brew, you missed a session that was part town hall, part strategy session, and part live coding frenzy. Hosted by Jose and featuring lead developer John, better known as Xcode, the vibe was electric as the team checked in on the Chapter 2 leaderboard grind and immediately began laying the groundwork for what's coming next in the Star Atlas ecosystem. The event kicked off with a much-needed status report on Chapter 2 of HoloSim. John shared that the team has been in heavy, quote, bug-fixing mode, specifically ironing out Starbase upgrades. They've simplified the process by removing tool and food upkeep requirements, and as a result, they're already seeing bases hit Tier 4. One of the biggest updates discussed was the stealth cap on crew members. To keep the map competitive and prevent a few players from dominating everything, crew counts are now capped around 800 to 900. To help players hit that limit, a new in-app store is on the way where you can pick up crew packs for a few dollars. John was clear that HoloSim remains a, quote, top-of-funnel free-to-play experience, meaning it won't require mainnet crypto tokens to play, keeping the barrier to entry as low as possible for new recruits. The discussion then shifted to the highly anticipated Chapter 3, and the theme is all about exploration. The team revealed that scanning will be the primary new gameplay mechanic, effectively replacing SDUs. This update will introduce a loot table feel to the map, where players can scan empty tiles to find hidden asteroids with rare materials or derelict ships that trigger unique quests. They also teased a major evolution for NPCs, moving toward faction-aligned behaviors, where your reputation with groups like the EOS or Jorvik will actually determine how hostile they are toward you. In other news from the event, the live nature of the brew really took center stage when community members like NDR and Baker started dropping feature requests in the chat. In a move that delighted the audience, John began implementing these changes in real time. After hearing that the Sage AI voice was scaring players out of their chairs with loud alerts, John added a volume slider and moved the Quest UI to the right side of the screen to improve visibility. Looking even further ahead to Chapter 4, the team discussed a massive UI overhaul that would introduce RTS-style drag and select fleet management, making it feel more like a classic space strategy game. Before wrapping up, the floor was given to Emperor for a quick governance shout-out. He urged the community to check out the current PIPs, Star Atlas improvement proposals, up for vote, specifically highlighting the Atom Pip and Funcrackers Relay Program proposal. He noted that the community is just shy of the PvP player voting power threshold needed to move things forward, so every vote counts. To close things out, Jose and John thanked the community for their unheard-of engagement levels, noting that nearly 50% of HoloSim players are already converting to battle passes or subscriptions. If you haven't yet, make sure to log in and use the claim code PROGRESSING to keep your momentum going. The team is heading back to the grind to get these Chapter 3 features ready, so keep your eyes on the stars, and we'll see you at the next brew.